Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the brand Nudies All Over Face Color Matte, and this is considered something called a Nude Sticks. You can see it right here, Nude Sticks, and this particular color is called Bondi Bae. I'm going to open this up for you first. It's a nice little tin that it comes with. It explains on the back here. Let me try to get you a better picture of that. There we go. It's all over face color. It expires in 12 months, so it's good for a year. And it gives you all of the ingredients. It's made in Korea, which is generally speaking most cosmetics. And it's about 7 grams, or it says 0.25 US ounces. So, it comes in this adorable little metal container, which I actually keep bobby pins in. But the cool thing about this container is that inside there is a nice mirror. This one is scratched up because I keep all of my bobby pins in it. But if I wiped it off, it would be a nice crystal clear mirror. And then inside, this little thing fits perfectly. I love this tray, by the way. That's a big perk of this product. So this is what we got. It's a color called Bondi Bae, and it kind of gives you the same information that you saw basically on the bottom of the tin. It's a, good palm-sized stick here we got. Easy to hold in your hand, easy to put in a backpack, and it's by the brand Nudies, which is a relatively new brand. Basically, on the one end you got a brush, and on the other end you have the product, which you can see is a bronze cream color. Let me see, hopefully you can see this. So the idea is that you apply this on maybe as a contour, I think is more so, and then you smooth it out with this brush. As far as the brush goes, I mean, like, you can tell that it is incredibly smooth quality, very smooth. I don't use this product terribly often. I would say that it's really blendable, it's really soft, and the brush is the brush helps. It's supposed to blur like that. It feels good. It's very lightweight. It's more of a balm than anything. I can't really speak for like how long it lasts. I feel like every time I've tried to contour my face, I've never really come out with the results that I've been looking for. So in general, I don't really contour as much as maybe say the next girl. But as far as wearability, it's something that feels almost so lightweight and so melty and soft that I wonder if it wouldn't just melt off your face if you didn't prime your skin relatively well first and then set your skin after the fact. I feel like it would be kind of easy to probably have this rub off on someone, although it does apply really nice, it does blend really easily, and it's something that, I think you'd have to apply like a nice thin layer of powder probably to get this to stay on without budging. But in the, description, it basically says that it's hot off the runway and paired with high fashion or bohemian chic looks. All over face color is multitasking and dual-ended with soft color balm on one side and a blending brush on the other for easy application that will not feather. Just draw this on this weather-resistant, non-drying stick directly onto the skin, dabbing softly with fingers, or you can stipple on nude color with the included brush. It delivers custom all-over face color that leaves your skin soft with a soft, matte, or dewy, lightweight, and elegant finish. Now, those are a lot of words to put into a sentence together that it leaves you feeling dewy and soft and also matte somehow. I can already see that this cap is having a difficult time because the brush, trying to get the brush in there. There we go. So yeah, that's a lot to say. I mean, I don't think it looks particularly melty when you put it on, or particularly shiny or greasy. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel that way. It feels really nice, actually. It's just that I'm not sure how long it would last. I'm not sure if you didn't hug someone, you wouldn't just get this all over them. Remember, this brand, being that it's new and it's not really sold at a lot of places, you can find this on Amazon. They do have highlighters, they do have other products, and you know, foundation sticks, and they pride themselves on being vegan, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, free of gluten and fragrance, which is really nice to find that in a makeup. It's also paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free, which is really great. They say you can use this color on your eyes, lips, and cheeks. The color Bondi Bae, this one that I just put on my hand for you, it's a bronzed, it's considered a bronzed nude. I think that it's the sort of thing when you're working with like a cream stick like this, you kind of have to be a pro and kind of know what you're doing. They do have like blush tone sticks, you know, and highlighter sticks, as I've said. It looks like these specific ones, this line, I don't know if this is considered an all-over face color matte, but they do come in a lot of, I think, at least 5 different colors, and some of them are more kind of blush colors. So I know that's not like an all-over face color. When they say all-over face color, I think they are specifically referring to the fact that you can use it apparently on your eyes, lips, and cheeks. I could say that I would recommend it for contouring before I would recommend it for a lip color or even an eye color. I'm not a huge fan of cream shadows in general, so, you know, maybe I'm a little biased, but, you know, this is a great texture, and as far as the long-lasting wear, I mean, I would say if you have really oily skin, you might just want to avoid all creams in general, as far as makeup goes. But if you have combination or dry skin, see how it works for you. One more quick note, if you're acne prone, I would either find a way to clean the brush or use a brush that you can clean more regularly. You keep using the same brush and sticking it back in the cap, bacteria is going to grow, and that's just going to cause you to break out more. So if it were me, I would say use a brush and swipe it over the stick and then apply it to your face. That way you can avoid bacteria overgrowth. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.